Okay guys, welcome back. Today we have a very technical math problem that we are going to solve. Okay, you can pause the video and try to solve before you come and look for the solution, or we can solve together. Okay, we know that 125 is equals to 5 cubed. That is 125 to the power x will be equals to 5 cubed, or is to the power x. Okay, we also know that a to the power n, or is to the power n, is equals to a to the power n times n. This means that this will be equals to 5 to the power 3 times x, that's 3x. Okay, we're going to replace this into this equation. So our new equation becomes the square root of 5, and square root of 5 will be equals here to 5 to the power 3x. Okay, since we have changed this expression, we are going to change this one also. Okay, we know that the square root of 5 is equals to 5 to the power a half. That is, I'm going to write this expression another way. That is 5 to the power half times this one, 5 to the power half. Okay, here remember that this one has a double root, so all this to the power half times 5 to the power half, all this to the power half, all this to the power half. Since this one is having 1, 2, 3 square root, okay, will be equals here to 5 to the power 3x. Okay, at this level we have 5 to the power half times 5 to the power half to the power half times 5 to the power half to the power 1 on 2 times 1 on 2, that is 1 on 4, will be equals to 5 to the power 3x. Okay, at this level we have 5 to the power half, all this to the power 1 times 5 to the power half, all this to the power half times 5 to the power half, all this to the power 1 on 4 is equals to 5 to the power 3x. Okay, we know that a to the power n times a to the power m is equals to a to the power n plus m. Okay, we are going to apply this at this level. So we have here 5 to the power half, all this to the power 1 plus 1 on 2 plus 1 on 4 will be equals here to 5 to the power 3x. Okay, we have 1 plus 1 on 2 plus 1 on 4. This is equal to 4 on 4 plus 2 on 4 plus 1 on 4. This is 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 7 on 4. So finally our equation becomes 5 to the power 1 on 2, all this to the power 7 on 4 is equals to 5 to the power 3x. So we have to solve this equation and look for the value of x. So at this level we have 5 to the power 1 on 2 times 7 on 4, which will be equals to 5 to the power 3x. This means that 5 to the power 1 times 7 on 2 times 4 will be equals to 5 to the power 3x. Okay, we have here 5 to the power 7 on 8 will be equals to 5 to the power 3x. So at this level, we need to solve the equation 5 to the power 7 on 8 is equals to 5 to the power 3x. Okay, we have here the bases are the same, that is 5 and 5. So for this equation to be correct, this, that is 7 and 8, have to be equals to this 2 3x. So looking for the solution of this equation, we have to solve the new equation. 7 on 8 is equals to 3x. That is, x will be equals to 7 on 8 times 3. Thus, x will be equals to 7 on 24. So this is the value of x for this equation. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to receive more videos like this one.